Okay, we're going to put it in a garbage disposal. I think this is Menard's brand, if I had to guess, Barracuda. Either way, I've gone and put some plumber's putty on this, which would normally be a basket strainer, but this is the strainer thing that the garbage grinder hooks into. We're going to place that in, like so. Then, I'm going to take this, put it in on like so, like that. I say we. I mean you. Then you put this on like so. And then when you've got all that crap on there, just hold it on. And what you get there. Now I'm gonna push down. You need to snap that ring on. Can you imagine doing it by yourself? Did you get it? Okay, so take your hands up. Let's see if anything falls. So what we've got, oh, it's just barely on. You don't quite have it on yet. Oh, there, now it's on. So now we're gonna tighten these here, and that's gonna pull it down, and it's gonna seal that on. Then we'll be able to get our garbage grinder on. Do that. You still got, oh, here it is. There's a Phillips screwdriver that he's going to use to tighten those with.
Right now?
When you get there. So now what I like to do is I like to put it like so. So that way from the front you can see all 3 screws. Alright. So he's going to do that. I'm going to pause it. So we're about ready to put it on. Pretty decent one. There you go. Stainless steel, I believe, inside. This is the knockout. We're not going to knock that out yet, but she does have a dishwasher, but I don't see the dishwasher hose over here. So I don't want to knock that out until I know the dishwasher is going to be coming through. So unless it's already draining someplace else, which I think it must be. So anyway, we're going to not knock this out. We're going to go ahead and put this on. Go ahead and put that on. Just lift it up and then give that a twist, Mitchell. You got your screwdriver handy. There's, nope, you gotta. There you go. Did you catch all 3 of them?
Oh no.
Okay, so now take your screwdriver.
I'm thinking sure.
Okay.
Caught on 2 of them for sure.
It looks like it's even. Is the back one on?
Can't get my hand back there. And then I just...
Well, get that hose out of there so you, just in case there's nothing getting pinched. Okay. Now come to a different one here. I'll get you another screwdriver.
There, I got it.
You need to do 2 at once. That's what the other screwdriver's for. So you do 2 at one time. Yep. There you go. Okay, now that's good. So now you take the channel lock and you squeeze those together. You get the channel lock set so it's the right distance apart.
Yeah, I thought my helper would have it there.
You were mistaken.
Clearly.
Yeah, and then you go to the other two and make sure they're nice and tight, just like that. Okay.
Yep.
All right, and that's on. And now that it's on, even though that it's on, this should still rotate. Yep, we can get it to turn. It takes a little bit, but we can turn it. And we want to keep turning it so we can get to that drain, so we can see the drain, Mitchell. Yeah. Okay. And then we'll hook the drain up.